Poems, Unit 4, Lesson 1. June. The day is warm and a breeze is blowing. The sky is blue and its eye is glowing. And everything's new and green and growing. My shoes are off and my socks are showing. My socks are off. Do you know how I'm going? Barefoot. Next poem, Summer Rain. What could be lovelier than to hear the summer rain cutting across the heat as skies cut across the grain? Falling upon the steaming roof with sweet uproar, tapping and rapping wildly at the door. No, do not lift the latch, but through the pane we'll stand and watch the circus pageant of the rain, and see the lightning like a tiger striped and dead, and hear the thunder cross the shaken sky with elephant tread. Next poem, Summer Rain. A shower, a sprinkle, a tangle, a tinkle, green silver runs the rain. Like salt on your nose, like stars on your toes, tingles the tangy rain. A tickle, a trickle, a million dot freckle, speckles that spotted rain. Like a cinnamon geranium smells the rainiest rain. Next poem, That Was Summer. Have you ever smelled summer? Sure you have. Remember that time when you were tired of running or doing nothing much and you were hot and you flopped right down on the ground? Remember how the warm soil smelled in the grass? That was summer. Remember that time when the storm blew up quick and you stood under a ledge and watched the rain till it stopped? And when it stopped, you walked out again to the sidewalk, the quiet sidewalk? Remember how the pavement smelled, all steamy, warm, and wet? That was summer. Remember that time when you were trying to climb higher in the tree and you didn't know how your foot was hurting in the fork, but you were holding tight to the branch? Remember how the bark smelled then, all dusty, dry, but nice? That was summer. If you try very hard, can you remember that time when you played outside all day and you came home for dinner and you had to take a bath right away? Right away? It took you a long time to pull your shirt over your head. Do you remember smelling the sunshine? That was summer. The end.